These prawns say they are Australian tiger prawns, and that is what we are going to find out, whether that is true or not. Ready to do that one again. I might actually get another sheet, and maybe I'll peel it on this one, because it is going to get messy. So this is a portable handheld XRF machine. It is typically used in like mining and exploration work. Also jewelry stores will use these to see how much, if like the gold's authentic and stuff like that. And it's been repurposed here at Ansto for the food provenance team. So it is measuring the elemental composition of food now, and in this case prawns. You are what you eat. So the elemental fingerprint changes depending on the location that they are in. So what they're eating is different depending on where they are in the world. So that accumulates in their bodies and then shows up variances that our mathematical model is able to pick up. It's a very simple process, and the machine itself is non-destructive, so you can put the prawn straight on, and you could even eat the prawn straight after, but we don't do that here.
You've never had a sneaky prawn after for lunch?
No, I feel like I've more likely been put off. So that's showing up the live results of what the instrument is picking up in real time.
Food fraud is tricking customer about its quality, content and source of origin for making money. It's very exciting because think about it's such a complicated area of research. Identifying source of origin, it's not an easy matter. It's a huge complicated thing.
So what's this?
It's a Kakadu plum powder. Kakadu plum is one of the Australian iconic native bush food. Has a very high vitamin C content. There's a lot of product available in the market selling in the name of Kakadu plum but may not be Kakadu plum. So we purchased through online all this powder, and we also collected the genuine one from our sources. So then we tested it. The result was very surprising. What we bought overseas, online market, which is claimed as a genuine Kakadu plum powder, were fake.
So these are all fake?
All fake.
Our database is the backbone of the project. Without the database, we cannot predict anything with any certainty. We need to have a database which is quite robust, as well as have samples on it which we know has come from authentic sources. We have a partner in Sydney Fish Market, and they have provided us with over 1,000 samples.
Say for example, this is the tiger prawn, and this is another tiger prawn.
To actually have points on a database, but that's not enough. We need more. Some of the other countries that we're working with are Bangladesh, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, and we're starting to look at other products that might be of interest to them, and these could include turmeric, mangoes, rice.
So now that we sent off the data and we've got the summary back of the results, the summary shows us that Woolworths and Coles both were more than likely to be of Australian farmed origin. However, the random seafood shop that we got the other tiger prawns from, we couldn't really conclude much from that as it sat outside of our database. However, what we could conclude is they were still most likely to be of Australian farmed origin, but yeah, we weren't as confident.
We showcase it is working, but the database is the limited at this moment. So whatever we have, we want to at the same time want to refine this technology through our continuous developmental process.
My hope for this technology is that hopefully one day we can just get our smartphone out and there'll be a barcode on everything we buy, and we'll be able to see exactly where that food came from and what the composition of that food is.